Tila nagkaroon pala ng kasunduan ang celebrity couple na sina Julia Barreto at Gerald Anderson bago maging calendar girl ng isang liquor brand ang aktres. Ang chika ni Julia nagkaroon lang ng isang request ang kanyang boyfriend. Ang bilin daw ni Gerald dapat maging graceful pa rin siya kapag ginawa na ang pectorial ng pagiging calendar girl. Ang revelasyon na yan ay kwento ng aktres nang tanungin siya sa morning talk show na Magandang Buhay. Nabanggit din ng kapamilya aktres na very supportive ang kanyang boyfriend kahit sa mga sexy projects niya. You know, he's always supportive as long as comfortable ako sa ginagawa ko, as long as feeling niya masaya naman ako. Pagmamalaki ni Julia. Kwento niya, I think ang pinaka-request niya lang is yung tastefully, gracefully pa rin siya gagawin. The same request pa my family, my siblings, and si Mami. Kung maaalala noong November ng nakaraang taon nang mapabilang si Julia sa Tanduay family bilang bagong calendar girl kasaba ng ika-170th anniversary ng liquor company.
You know, he's always very supportive as long as komportable ako sa ginagawa ko, as long as feeling niya masaya naman ako sa ginagawa ko. I think ang pinaka-request niya lang is, you know, yung sana yung hindi yung may ano pa rin, tastefully lang siya. Oo, tastefully, gracefully siya gagawin. So, and the same request from my family, my siblings, si mommy.
We wanted a strong, confident, and hardworking personality to represent the brand. Julia has weathered many challenges in her career and has emerged happy and successful. Wika sa inilabas na payag noon ng brand. Sa gitna ng launching, inihayag ng aktres kung bakit niya tinanggap ang pagiging calendar girl. Sabi niya, it was something I was nervous about but also very excited because it was an honor to be chosen to represent the brand for 2024. Excited but nervous because it means having to be a lot braver and expressing myself. Ani pa niya. Samantala, taong 2021 pa nang mag-umpisang maging magjowa sina Julia at Gerald.
Nervous about, but at the same time, something that I was very excited about because you know, I feel like, you know, number one, it's an honor to have been chosen to represent the brand for 2024 and
Huwag kalimutang i-click ang subscribe button at i-ring ang notification bell para sa latest at legit chika updates.